Hey guys, it's Young Wealth. Now today I want to make a short video on a segment of a video I seen interviewed by, or a dude was interviewing Dominic Williams, and it was very interesting. Right now I haven't watched the full video. That's the reason why we're gonna watch it together. But before we get into the video and we watch this video, right, I want to take a look at the graph for a second. As you can see, ICP is actually down 1% today, 1.31%. It's at $12.27. I would say this is a great buying opportunity if I'm just being honest with you guys. Like anything below $20 is a great buying opportunity. I do believe like we can see this coin catapult and go to around $40 within the next few months or so. So we gotta be prepared for either outlet. It can go lower or it can go higher. Like that's literally it. That's how simple crypto is. It can go lower for the short term, but in the long term we're definitely gonna see a lot higher prices. I'm talking about the next 6-7 months. We are going to see higher price points. So let's go to the 7-day, see how we're looking. As you can see on the 7-day, we're on a clear downtrend. The tops was around $15.96. and the lowest it went was around $11. Now I actually brought the $11 dip. Now let's go on the monthly, then we're gonna get into this video. As you can see on the monthly, we pretty much returned to where we started at. Like we started the month at $12. Now we are back at $12. Like, so it's to the point where like we're just gonna have to hold long term, and there's nothing you can do about these short term downside movements. I just look at it as opportunity. With that being said, let's get into the video, right?
So I want to ask you, for the people that are new to the blockchain space and who have not heard about Internet Computer Protocol, what is the role that ICP plays in the blockchain world?
So it's a third generation blockchain, and the first layer was like blockchains that just host a cryptocurrency ledger like Bitcoin. Obviously Bitcoin was the first, and you had like competitors like Litecoin, silver to Bitcoin's gold. Some other ones like Feathercoin that disappeared. Then you get the second lane, which is traditional blockchains that host smart contracts. That was pioneered by Ethereum. Now you've got all kinds of competitors like Solana and Avalanche and Near and all these layer 2s and things like that. And they're probably more successful at taking a chunk out of Ethereum's lead than some of the competitors of Bitcoin were. And then you got the third lane, which is blockchain that really plays the role in a way of cloud, where you build using smart contracts, where you can build something like a social network entirely for smart contracts.
Yeah.
The big change is that you can't even store a phone photo on Solana. Like people talk about how fast and scalable it is. Well, that really applies to DeFi transactions. And you can store
ICP is a lot faster than Solana. Let's just put that out there for a second. Like, ICP is actually faster than Solana. Let's just make sure we understand that, okay? So with that being, let's carry on.
Tokens on Solana, and you can put some DeFi logic there. You can put some meme coins on Solana. But when you see the user experience or media or heavy duty compute,
and also like ICP, Solana be actually the network be getting congested a lot. Like the network gets congested quite a bit. Like there'll be sometimes I'll be trying to do a transaction in Solana and it says transaction failed and don't let me transfer the SOL. Like I realized that a lot of the time that network right there, Solana, is not consistent, and I do feel like ICP is a better network and a better blockchain than Solana. So with that being said, let's carry on watching.
Solana is happening typically on Amazon Web Services. The change with third generation blockchain is that everything runs on chain, and you have some changes like reverse gas, but also third generation blockchain has to be infinitely scalable, extremely efficient, and so on. So the smart contracts will actually process HTTP and serve user experiences directly into your web browser. So as a user, you can directly interact with code on the blockchain that's autonomous, controlled by a DAO or something like that. And so you can build something like a social network on the blockchain, put it under the control of a DAO, which means it's autonomous, not data transparent, and put the user community in control, make them owners, which of course is kind of the promise of Web3. And that's what third generation blockchain does. And even recently, we've been able to demonstrate AI models running on the blockchain and smart contracts. I did a demo a few weeks ago of a neural network doing image classification running as a smart contract. But we're pushing, we're working very hard at the Divinity Foundation to improve the efficiency and remove some limits on the internet computer so that you know, hopefully within a few months we'll see it, you know, hosting large language models.
On-chain seems to be the running narrative for this bull run, and since ICP is one of the
So that's what I wanted to really show you guys. That's the part I wanted to show you guys. It's titled Internet Computer is the only third generation blockchain. Now it's literally built off smart contracts, and it's literally integrating AI into their smart contracts itself. So it's like, if this is not bullish, I don't know what to tell you. Like, you got to understand, like, Dominic Williams is a very active guy in the community. He will do an interview with anybody. I guarantee you, if I seen Dominic Williams and I asked him, let me do an interview with you, and I see them in person, he'd probably say, yeah. Because this dude is very connected to the support base. That's what I really like. Like, he's connected to the support base. He's connected to the actual supporters of this project, which makes it just 10 times better, because when a person is actually vouching their actual coin to the actual people that support the coin highly, and they actually interact with the supporters, it shows me that they are not fishy. It shows me that this project is not fishy, and he's very confident with his words. He's very confident. He knows the project inside and out. So it's like, the more I watch these videos, the more I'm learning myself, just knowing that I did not realize Internet Computer is the only third generation blockchain. I did not realize that. Okay, I did not realize that till now. So it's to the point where, like, when I look at it today and I'm talking about it's at $12.30, that's just the actual steal, because $12.30 is like buying Ethereum at $100. Like, I brought Ethereum at, like, I want to say $300 or $200, but that's the point, right? Like, you can literally buy these coins early before they take off, and do not be surprised when you see ICP at $200. Do not be surprised when you see ICP at $150. It's just the way it is. Okay, it's just the way it is. And at the end of the day, like, when people realize the technology, they don't sleep on it, and people are not sleeping on ICP anyway, because the market cap is already 5 billion. That's, it shows it's already got value to it, because the market cap is already quite high, but it can still go a lot higher than what we see right now. Still, a 20x is 100 million market cap. Around a 30x is 150 million market cap. And if it's the first of its kind, we can see it actually go to those lengths. Okay, go to the Ethereum market caps, go to the Solana market caps, where we see a $120 billion in market cap. That would not be an issue, because the technology actually backs up their statements. It backs up their actual fight of wanting to be one of the top 5 coins. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was actually Young Wealth with another one. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also, if you want to be part of my Discord, be sure to join the Patreon, link in the video description. Over there we talk about crypto 24/7. We are making plays over there, we are eating over there, we're making flips, making trades. So we always say tapped in, sharing ideas with each other. So if you want to be part of that, just join the Patreon, link in the description. With that being said, it was Young Wealth, and I'm signing out. Peace.